Hi everyone! Today, before I start my topic, I would like to tell you an old Chinese story. And this story is very well known in China. It's a fairy tale. Long ago, in the galaxy, there is a heavenly palace. There is a pretty lady in the palace, and her name is Zhi-Nu, means weaver girl. Her daily duty is to weave clothes for the queen of the heaven. The life of Zhi-Nu is so boring and simple. In the heavenly palace, one day, she and other weavers who work with her came to the earth. Yes, the planet we are living. They found the leaf on earth is so colorful, and human beings are so happy. Zhi-Nu met a young farmer, and his name is Niu Lang. Niu Lang means cowboy in Chinese language. Once they met, they both fall in love and get married. So Zhi-Nu decided to settle down on earth and on going back to the heavenly palace. Zhi-Nu and Niu Lang then built up a family, and after a few years, they had two kids, a boy and a girl. Niu Lang was doing farmer's work and Zhi-Nu weaved clothes. Their life is so happy, but in the heavenly palace, the queen got very angry. She didn't allow her weaver live on earth, so she sent her two guards to the earth to catch Zhi-Nu back. Niu Lang then carried his two children to chase the two guards and his wife to the heaven. The queen found Niu Lang and his children were chasing Zhi-Nu. So she took off her comb and threw into Niu Lang and Zhi-Nu. The river is so wide and Niu Lang couldn't cross it. So this family are separated by the queen, and they couldn't be reunited anymore. What a sad story, isn't it? Zhi-Nu, the weaver. She has another name, which is well known, is Vega. And her farmer husband Niu Lang, the English name is Otaya. Surprised you? Vega is not a pretty lady. Seriously, Vega is a white-bluish giant star. And I will talk about Niu Lang, Otaya in next video, okay guys? Vega is located at Lyra constellation. If you have a look at Lyra constellation, in the nighttime, you are able to see there is a lyre in the sky. Lyre is a U-shaped instrument that people normally use in ancient period. The diameter of Lyra constellation is very small, just 1 light year in diameter. The brightest star from Lyra constellation is called Vega. It is the star that we are going to talk about today. Vega is a bluish-white giant star. We really know. It is 2.5 times larger than the Sun. The mass of Vega is 1.1 times massiver than the Sun. And the diameter of Vega is 3.2856 million kilometers. It is unbelievable large. Vega is way different compared to the Sun. Firstly, our Sun is a round yellow dwarf star, but Vega is an egg-shaped star. Secondly, Vega is hotter than the Sun. The temperature of Vega is 9,602 Kelvin. But the gravity of Vega is weaker than the Sun. It is only 0.021 meters per second square. Thirdly, Vega is an average star, but Vega's life is shorter than the Sun because the rotational period of Vega is 12.5 hours. It is just smaller than the Earth, seriously. During the short rotational period of Vega, Vega consumes a lot of material that caused Vega's life is short. The luminosity of Vega is 50 L. It is 5 times brighter than the Sun. Vega has more radiation and heat compared to the Sun. If we imagine when Vega becomes our star, we have to wear lots sunscreen and put glasses on because it is much brighter than the Sun. We couldn't stare at Vega as well, otherwise you will hurt your eyes forever. Blindness permanently. Okay. Vega is second largest star also the second closest star to the Earth from Lyra constellation. Lyra constellation is made by 3 stars, such as Vega, Altair, and Deneb. But we'll talk about Deneb and Altair in next video, okay guys? And the summer triangle is very famous. If you guys live in northern part of the Earth, you're able to see summer triangle in summer. But if you are living in the south pole of the Earth, you will see summer triangle in winter because the seasons are so different compared together, guys. But I hope you have a look during the next night time. It will be so beautiful. Alright, now we are going to talk about how far is Vega to the Earth. The distance between Vega to the Earth is 25.5 light years. When you have a look at the night sky, you can see right now Vega's appearance is the appearance of Vega in 25.5 years ago. Alright. Vega was the northern pole star around 12,000 BC and was so again around the year 137 and 21 years. You will see Vega become the northern pole star. Alright, during the rotational period of Vega keep exhausting hydrogen and you will become a red giant around 500 million years until Vega will actually not produce hydrogen on its core anymore. Vega will change its color, okay? And Vega will turn again, but this time into a white dwarf. In around 10,000 years, it will replace Polaris as the northern pole star, okay guys? Bye guys. Hope you like my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.